Hello friend, welcome. In this video, we'll talk about function, Haskell function. Haskell is a functional programming language. So the most important thing in Haskell is function. And so we'll first talk about the function in this video. And for those new friends who still have no Haskell environment installed on your computer, I have two tutorials published in Medium. So if you search like Medium install Haskell on Mac OS, you can get the tutorial Medium install, right? So see, the first one here is the thing I mentioned. So this is how to install one of the multiple ways to install Haskell on Mac OS. And there's a detailed steps there, and actually we installed homebrew first using these things. Just copy this and paste in your terminal like that, copy and paste here. This is our terminal. Paste that and enter, something like that. And then with the homebrew, we can use like using this brew install GHCi, Haskell compiler. Yeah, this is the the Haskell thing, right? But I already installed that, and basically that's that. Okay, so and for the Windows user, you can search Medium install Haskell install Haskell on Windows or Windows 7. Let's see this one. Oh, sorry, there's a typo. So Medium install Haskell on Windows. Yeah, you should get that. Here, you see the first one. Yeah. Okay, so let's go back to our Haskell business. Okay. Now after we installed this is the demo on Mac OS, so we use GHCi to go into the interactive environment. Okay, so here, okay, because I'm the big fan of Lambda, right? Lambda calculus, that's the foundation of this Haskell programming language. So I'll change this prompt from a prelude. How to pronounce that? Prelude. Let me bring up my dictionary. Prelude.
Prelude.
Sorry about that. Prelude. I'll change this prelude prompt to lambda. Okay, control command space to bring up this emoji thing, so I use this guy, or you can search if you don't have that in the latest one, so you can search, right? Lambda, yeah, it's here. So I use this guy, and colon space that. So oh, my bad. So you can use up arrow key, right, to go through the history. Set prompt like that, right? Okay, so function. Let's define the function, right? It's like function name. Say we'll do a negate a number to its opposite, something like, okay, so let's define a negate x equals negative x, something like that, right? Enter. So this is the function name, this is the argument, and here is the implementation of the function, right? It's just like mathematical function. So negate, like 7 is negative 7, right? So negate negative 7 will be wrong. The reason is we need a parenthesis around it, like that. Yeah. So this is our function, right? Negate argument. We can check its type using colon T, our name, negate. So don't worry too much about like how to read this. I'll explain it briefly for now, and later on we'll understand completely, right, thoroughly about what it means. So basically it's like this guy is a function like that. The data type of the A thing is a number. No, I didn't mean that. Is a number. So it's the A is a number. So this is the function definition. If function maps an argument to a result. Function maps a value to another value. That's it. So it's a number to a different number, another number. It could be the same, right? So colon T is provided by GHCi here to show the type of something again, and the colon I means information. You will provide the information for that, for this guy. So basically you see it provides similar information as colon type. Okay, define, this is like the comment defined at interactive, like that. Okay, so now what about this? Negative 5. So this is a function, right? It will return negative 5. Then negative against apply to negative 5 is 5. So you guess it will be 5, right? It's the same as negative 5. The reason because the reason is this guy, this value is the value of this function call. Okay, actually GHCi Haskell already has a negate function here, like, right, 7. Yeah, that's the, so our neg function is similar to negate, so we can check its type, negate. Wow, same, right? Let's check our on negate. Yeah, exactly same. except the names, right? Okay, so now let's define another one. Like, let's see if we have oh, let's define the one like a double. Okay, double function. But before we define a new function, better to check if this one is used by the by default, right, provided by the platform. Okay, no, that's good. So we can define a double. So we double something, double x equals x plus x, right? It doesn't matter if you use x, the name of the argument. You can use y, for example, y plus y. Okay, so now we can check is type double. No, let's don't do this for now. So for negate is mapping one argument, right, one value to another. But if you check, let's play with it first. So double like 7 will be 14, right? 14. So that's the function call. It will map this to another value, 14. Okay, so if we double and double, right, will be 28. Yeah, it's easy to understand. Now let's check the type of that. This is not easy to understand. Oh, this is still easy to understand. It maps one value to another. Okay, but what is this? So this is also a function provided by Haskell plus, right? So if we check the type of plus, we cannot do that. We need to do this. Yeah, put it inside the parentheses. Then we get this. It maps, actually, you see here, if we do, this is also a function, you see. If we do this, 3 and 5, we get 8. It's the same as 3 plus 5. So this is same as a function call like that. This is the function name plus, and this is the first parameter, this is the argument, and this is the second argument. Okay, so this is same as the function call like that. This is also a function call. Now, why did I say this is not easy to understand? Because to understand that, we'll talk about this in detail in the future. Basically is getting an argument, right? It will return a function which accepts one argument and return a value. So given an argument, it will return another function which accepts an argument to return that. Okay, so I think, oh, let's define, before we end this video, let's define something more useful. Okay, so let's see pi. What is pi? Pi is defined like that, right? Provided by, so what is the type of pi here? Oh, floating. Okay, this is a constant, you see, it's just itself. So let's define like area, circle area. Okay, circle area, this function, right? The parameter is r, right? Radius. So what is that? Pi r square, right? So it's pi times r, right? Okay, so let's see its type. Circle, you can use tab key to auto complete. Yeah, floating is, it accepts one argument and return a value. Now let's try circle area like 10, right? Yeah, it makes sense, right? 314 dot something. Okay, to leave GHCi we use :Q, leaving GHCi. Okay, thank you for watching, see you next time.